Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best plastic repair is probably one of the most practical DIY skills you can learn. Plastic is everywhere, and inevitably, it breaks. From toys to car bumpers, knowing how to fix it yourself can save you money and prevent unnecessary waste. In this video, we'll explore the best methods and tools for plastic repair, so you can confidently tackle any plastic damage. Number 5. Allturn Plastic Restorer. Are you tired of faded plastic, rubber, and vinyl? This product will renew, seal, and protect any interior or exterior surface. It will last for several months. Many plastic restorers fade quickly. This product is different. It will keep your car looking great, even after rain. Tired of streaks after the rain? This product repels water. It stays looking good for months. Forget those greasy products that never dry. This product restores and dries completely to the touch. It won't ruin your detailing supplies. Allturn cares about quality. The products are made with the latest advancements in science. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The Allturn team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, they will do everything to make it right. What we like. This product offers a long-lasting solution, ensuring your plastic surfaces stay restored for months. It also features a water-resistant formula, so rain won't ruin your hard work. If you're tired of products that fade quickly and leave an oily mess, you should consider this one. What people say. My tonneau cover looks as good as new, actually slightly better. I also used car guys on all the black plastic, mirrors, bumpers, etc. on the exterior of my truck, and the results are fantastic. This brought back the shine and luster of all the plastic components of the car. All the trim around the wheel wells, the mirrors, and along the bottom of the doors. Car truly looks brand new. I worked it into my trim and it took 2 coats before all the trim was the same tone. Trim looked new. Far exceeded any other product I've used. Parked it in the sun at my ranch in NM Mountains for 24 days and no fading or change in the appearance of the plastic and rubber, it all still looked brand new. Number 4. Weld 50139 Plastic Bonder, Black, 25 ml. This is a quick-set, 2-part urethane adhesive system. It's designed to provide strong, lasting repairs on various materials. You can count on it for your projects. This product works on thermoset, carbon fiber composites, thermoplastics, and more. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, offering a reliable bond. For over 40 years, Weld products have been trusted by professionals. This product continues the tradition, offering the world's strongest bond for your needs. It has a 1:1 mixing ratio and sets quickly, in just 15 minutes. After 30 minutes, it can be sanded, providing a permanent bond with a high tensile strength. This is great for plastic, composite, and PVC. It also makes a great gap filler and dries black in color, making it a versatile solution. What we like. This product provides a strong, permanent bond in just minutes, making it perfect for quick repairs. It's suitable for various materials and can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you need a reliable adhesive for a wide range of projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The glue turns into hard plastic and is holding so well. I like how they incorporated the mixing tub within the packaging, the rest I cut into strips to use as applicators. The cardboard backing is also good for mixing on smaller applications. This is about as good as soldering for plastic, excellent bond. Pretty easy to use and did a good job keeping it stuck to the vehicle. I did use support clips to hold it in place until cured. Number 3. Weld PlasticWeld Epoxy Putty, 2 ounces. This is Weld PlasticWeld, a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's designed to repair and rebuild various plastic compounds and surfaces. This product is perfect for your DIY plastic repair needs. PlasticWeld is perfect for ABS, PVC and CPVC pipes and plastics, auto bumpers, and more. It's a versatile solution for many of your plastic repair needs. After needing the 2-part formula, it sets in just 25 minutes and fully cures in 3 hours. The off-white color blends well with many plastics. PlasticWeld has a lap shear strength of 600 psi. It can withstand continuous temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and intermittent temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit when fully cured. It doesn't shrink and can be molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and cut. Use it on ABS, PVC and CPVC pipes, auto bumpers, vinyl surfaces, marine repairs, plastic water tanks, and plumbing. It bonds instantly, making it a convenient choice. What we like. This product is a hand-mixable epoxy putty stick designed for easy application and strong repairs. It's safe for use with potable water, making it ideal for plumbing and water tank repairs. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable solution for plastic repairs, you should choose this one. What people say. Great way to fix a cracked gas tank. Never knew there was a weld for plastic. Saved me a lot of time and money not having to replace that plastic tank. Worked well and easy to use. Just rip a piece off, mix it in your hand like clay and then patch it up. I bought a frying pan at a discount store and when I got home noticed that part of the handle was cracked by where it was screwed on. I mixed up this JB Weld and put it on the handle and it is solid as a rock and the handle does not move. I'm impressed. I have to admit, I was pretty wary about trying this, which I used to patch a hole in the wall of a litter robot globe. This stuff, surprisingly, dried much harder and created a very tight, high-quality bond with the plastic globe of the litter robot. It stayed in place, dried and bonded like a boss, and it looks pretty good, considering I haven't yet sanded it. All in all, this product delivered on its promise. My LR3 globe is once again fully functional, and makes me completely satisfied. Number 2. Allturn 2-in-1 Plastic Welder Kit, D970324. Introducing the Allturn Plastic Welder, a versatile tool for all your plastic repair needs. This kit is designed to make fixing plastic items easy and efficient. The kit comes with a black portable carrying case, including a plastic welder, wire cutters, and various welding rods and staples. It has everything you need to get started on a wide range of repairs. The handle is wrapped with TPR material, ensuring comfortable use even during extended periods. This design allows you to work on your projects without fatigue. It's easy to use, just load the staples and press the switch. The device heats up quickly, allowing you to start your repairs in seconds. After a few practices, you can directly carry out plastic repair work. This welder can repair a wide range of thermoplastics, including car bumpers and dashboards. It's perfect for DIY projects and fixing common household items. The power cord is UL certified, and the machine is backed by a 1-year guarantee. It also features overheating protection and a patented design for added safety and style. What we like. This product features an ergonomic design for comfortable use and heats up quickly, allowing for efficient repairs. It's suitable for a wide range of thermoplastics, making it a versatile tool for various plastic repair needs. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use plastic welder, this is the one for you. What people say. This product heats up quickly and by using one of the 3 included tips, I was able to weld HDPE plastic easily. Put the metal clip into the gun, pull the trigger and wait a few seconds for it to glow red hot, then melt it into the plastic. Gun heated up in a few seconds and staples worked great and plow to smooth out the repair site worked great. Number 1. ATOLS Plastic Welder Kit. This ATOLS Plastic Welder Kit repairs at least 98% of plastics. It's perfect for bumpers, dashboards, and various plastic components on your car or motorcycle. It is a versatile tool for all your plastic repair needs. Select the right staples, insert them, and press the power button. In just seconds, it heats up, allowing the staples to melt into the plastic. The built-in light makes operation easier and safer. The stainless steel staples won't rust, and the kit includes 6 types to meet different needs. The wavy design maximizes load-bearing capacity, restoring broken parts and extending their life. The staples weld quickly and easily. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your palm. The rubber handle provides a secure grip, so you won't get tired even after long use. It's quick and easy to operate. This plastic repair kit comes with everything you need. It includes the welder, pliers, a carry case, and a variety of staples. It is a complete solution for plastic repair on the go. What we like. This product is designed to repair a wide variety of plastics, making it a versatile choice for many repair projects. It heats up quickly and is easy to operate, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that's easy to use, you should consider this. What people say. I welded brackets back on with us and not a single complaint. Tail lights are still holding up perfectly well, and it saved me a lot of money without having to purchase new tail lights for my vehicle. If you know how to use it, the product is great and it's quick to heat up. Works great for fixing cracks in multiple types of plastics. Works great, already fixed several plastic things around the house. A big garbage can that split, my lawn mower discharge chute, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.